Nice jump.
Because we tried to go straight, we don't fit.
Oh. I need to tell Brandon he can't go this way. Yeah. Sorry, buddy.
Water really. What happened?
Brandon can't go that way. Carl, come around this way. Come around this way.
Oh, did we get deep right here?
I don't know. Really? Oh. Get by you. Whoa! Go. What happened, buddy?
Hey.
Hey, back up some and I'll try to get that out of your way. All right, go like a little more? A little more. All right, go ahead.
Hear my bell?
Your what?
Bell?
Your belt?
Squeaking.
Oh, is it? Damn, already? Yata! Yata, come on! Come on, girl!
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. The belt's squeaking over there.
Yeah.
Think there's water in there? I'm gonna go find Carl and them. got it, buddy? You got it in low? Are you in low? You in low? There you go. I need your help, buddy. I need you to turn around. What's the matter? What's the matter? Yep. Come back just a little more. Just a hair more. No more. Keep coming. More. Keep going. More. There we go. You got it in low? All right, go ahead, buddy. Hey, yep. Hey, shut him off real quick. Shut him off so we can try to hear Carl. Huh? Shut him off so we can try to hear Carl. Turn off your fan, Jace.
Over there.
Okay.
Hey, we're coming to you.
We're coming. Well, we need to go that way.
Hey,
We're gonna go across the bridge.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Good over there. Oh, check this. We can go on inside it. Is that water trail?
I think so. I don't know. I was trying to find that spot right there.
I think it's down just a little bit more.
Is it down just a little more? Here they come.
You don't ever have a problem with your radiator, do you?
I have, but not too much. Not too. I mean, I finally cleaned it out the other day. because I overheated a couple times.
Yeah.
But for the most part, not really.
I
So,
carried around a sprayer with this one forever and it never did overheat. And then finally I just stopped carrying the sprayer. And
it started overheating.
yeah, this year it started overheating every year. So finally I made that thing and put it up there.
Oh my god.
What the hell? I didn't think Yamahas and Hondas needed a regulator.
Right.
Okay. That runs pretty cool. Something happened to this one. It started getting warm.
It's probably just clogged up now, huh? Have you ever? Oh, I guess.
It wasn't. I pulled it out and moved it up here. And
Hello.
Carlos, my brother's stuck.
He's stuck.
Yeah, he's sideways.
All right. Let me go get him.
coming.
Come on, Yata, Yata. I'll get him with a tiger tail. Yeah. No. We went on the road. Where's your dad and them at? Are they stuck? They're gonna go back to camp? There's your dad. I'm good. You think he was what? Oh. Okay. Oh shit, this stuff's thick.
Yeah, dude.
Thick as shit.
Drop the baby for a little while.
Alright, you ready? You're good. Carl, do you just want to meet us right? Do you just want to meet us right back here?
I'll come right back.
Do you know how to get back here?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have Sergio's number? Okay. Yata! Yata!
I'll come right back here.
Right here, yeah. What happened, famous? Let's see if I can squeeze through here. Maybe not. Oh, well. Do you need me to get you or no? No. Okay. Here, I'll get that. You want me to wrap it around on itself?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it long enough?
Find out.
Oh, it'll fall off the winch.
We're gonna find out. There's the middle one.
Was it?
Oh, that close.
Hold on. Poquito más.
Is that what it is?
Is that it?
Yeah.
Is that it? Oh, is that all of it? Hold on. That's it. That's
I
it.
wasn't putting out.
I wasn't either. There we go. All right. Is that all of it? Is there a wrap on there? Okay.
Gotta go out and around. Go around? Yeah. Are we gonna go back that way or are we gonna make them over there?
They're gonna meet us right here, and then we'll go across here and we'll hit some of those trails. at them tires. Get it. There you go. You want to re-spool that sucker? It's probably all on that one side. Is it all on that one side?
No wonder old Floaty made it through.
What's it?
No wonder old Floaty made it through.
Hey, what's going on here, Famous? Can you give me an explanation why you're re-spooling your winch?
It just has to work. It's not have to look pretty, it just has to work.
No, I'm asking why'd you have to pull this winch cable out? What happened? Yeah, what happened? Jake wants to know too. What happened?
You see, when you put 12,000 pounds on mud, all it does is sink.
Hey, in this mud, even my little 600 pounds sinks too. Shoot!
Look at Yonta. She's like, I'm having fun.
She better save some of that energy.
She's like, woo!
Woohoo! She's like, y'all need to hurry up. I'm ready.
I need to go. I'm too hyper.
Where's our fin trail raiders at? Dang it.
They're integrated. Ain't that right? It's all right.
I get too much. Go hit a mud hole.
She's ready. She's ready.
I get through everyone.
She loves it.